Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram Messenger not working. It's very simple and easy, so let's get started. There's two fast ways to fix the problem. First, let's open the App Store or the Play Store. It doesn't matter if you're iOS or Android user. Type Instagram, open it. Here, tap on uninstall. So we uninstall the app. Now we simply install it again. Now try if you to log in again and see if the problem is fixed. If the problem is not fixed, we scroll down on this page and here you can see join the beta. So we tap on joined and now we simply close everything. We clear all apps and open again. Here we tap again Instagram and we open the result. Here you can see we are now seeing Instagram beta version. So if the first method doesn't work for you, just uninstall the app again and install the beta version of the app. Try this, that's pretty much it.
If you are interested in professional software based on your own interests, check out the video description. Anyway, thanks for watching.